Alright, welcome back. We are still on the text function on our last panel, which is the 5th panel, right? But right now I'm going to rotate my screen. Is that okay? Alright. Okay, so my screen is rotated. Hey, yeah, alright. So continue from where we stopped. So I have my options here at the right hand side. So we stopped at the line spacing. Now we have stroke. So let me click L instead. Stroke is a line around your element. It can be around shapes. It can be around shapes or text. Is that okay? Can you see that black line? So it's sweet. You can make use of this to give it some effects. It's a good way to add effects to your text. Is that okay? See that? Very, very, very nice. So that's the importance of stroke, right? That's the importance of stroke. A stroke is a line around your element. It's as simple as that. Okay, but let me just take it away. Alright, so the next one is shadow. Is that okay? You know what shadow means now. When you walk in the sun, yes, that stuff that is always beside or behind you. Is that okay? Yes. So we can apply shadow to our text. Is that okay? We can decide the color. You decide the color by picking the color of your shadow, right? You can reduce the visibility by reducing the opacity. Okay, so you reduce the harshness through the blur radius. Is that okay? Or the sharpness, right? So you can make it glow, right? See that effect, something like that. So you can offset it to the right or offset it to the top, right, left. Offset. See, this is giving it like a 3D effect or so, right? Then you can offset it to up or down, right? So it's a good one. Shadow is one of the it's been long in design, graphics, design generally anyway. So this is how we apply it in Pixellab, right? Okay, let's move forward. Do I want to leave this? Let me try and change. Let me see where I want to do that. Do I want to leave this? No, I don't want to leave it. Okay, let's continue. So the next one is inner shadow. It's just shadow, but it's inside, right? It's inside. We have the only thing we don't have here is the glow effect. Is that okay? So can you see? This is cool. It's cool, man. Alright. Okay, so inner shadow is just applying your shadow inside your element. Now it's not outside again. Is that okay? It's inside. It's inside the borders of your element. Okay, let's move forward. Now emboss. What does emboss does? It's like a 3D effect. It's like a 3D effect. Is that okay? Yeah. So you can change the light angle, that is the angle the light is coming from. You can change the intensity. You can lighten the ambience. Is that okay? The ambient light you can increase. You can make it harder or softer. So this is cool. I rarely use it anyway, to be truthful. Is that okay? Yes, but it's a cool one. If it applies to what you want to design, it's a cool one. It gives a 3D effect. Is that okay? All right, so let's move forward. Perspective. I remember fine art in my undergraduate days. Yes, and they talked about perspective, view from an angle. Is that okay? So perspective is a view from an angle. You determine the angle you're actually looking from. Is that okay? So to manipulate your perspective, you just click on the anchor points. You have 4 of them. Is that okay? So you can just manipulate it the way you want it to look like. Is that okay? You can use this to create what's it called? To create a very cool effect. I think I want to leave it like this. Alright. So I use perspective to change. I've changed the perspective of this text like this. So it's as simple as that. So you can do 3D rotate too. Okay. See, this is cool, man. Alright. So you can see what it does, right? It just gives you that 3D effect, that rotation. Is that okay? That's simple. I think I want to leave it like this. Alright. Then 3D shadow. Yeah, you know, when you place something on the floor, there is a shadow, a placement shadow. Is that okay? So this is what it does. Is that okay? It's as simple as that. Alright. Then what else? The last one here. Okay, we have 3D texts. Yes. Alright. Yeah. 3D texts. I want to change your text too. See, we've been seeing a lot of 3D, and there are ways to you can really make use of 3D to show some effects, and it's cool. Come on, this is nice. It's nice. You see that we are seeing what we have seen before. 3D rotation, we have it here again. So it's part of your 3D options. Okay, so I can change. This is perspective. This is the next one, which is oblique, one of the two. Forgive me. Alright, so let's continue. You can increase the depth, but see, you just have to be careful with that, because one of the things is that your design should be appealing. You must be careful when you're using your effects. Alright, so that's that about that. Then the last one is reflection. just a duplicate, a reflected duplicate of your text. A reflected duplicate of your text. As simple as that. Okay, we can do these two for a shape, an image, whatever it is. Is that okay? But this is text for now. Let's try it on. We love you. Can you see? So this is what we have. Now, the last time I talked about we talked about rotation, not the curve. I mean, I said it's about bending. See, we bent this guy. That's why it's like this. Is that okay? All right. So that'll be all for text, and we still have three more functions to talk about: the shapes and the lives. Is that okay? So stay tuned and check the videos for them. All right, have a wonderful life. Keep designing, keep growing. All right.